I like the topic that the Bhasकर Doctor, that Mahaprabhu gives so much mercy to Bhasकर Doctor. Because, so what happened? We see the temple just before we came, we entered that place, Charaka Murari place, and then also Vasudev Doctor's place, Vasudev Doctor Park. He was one of the prominent also associates of Mahaprabhu. And when Vasudev Doctor, Mahaprabhu used to be very happy with him, always used to glorify him. Why? Because whatever the money or the income he had, he always used to pay for the Guru Vaishnava Seva, Hari Guru Vaishnava Seva. Mahaprabhu used to be worried, and that's why he actually asked Sivananda Sen to actually take care of his bodies. And Mahaprabhu also used to say that wherever Bhakti will tell me, I will be sold. And he took the promise, the oath, 3 times. That I am saying in the 3 times oath that wherever Bhakti will tell me, I will be sold. So I will be sold. That's why I like the topic. There's a lot of topics here, with and everything. If you think about that, then Mahaprabhu is the Supreme Personality of Godhead. He himself said that he is going to be sold out in Bhasdev Doctor, but because he is giving up. We see the example where yesterday we saw Swadesh Goswami was writing the Mahotsav Mandalam, where Krishna himself sold himself to the Lord Radharani. Also, other time we see Siddharth Pandit. When Siddharth Pandit, we will hear the story and this is one line. That when Siddharth Pandit, Mahaprabhu asked that how you maintain your life without doing anything, you are always with me. That time also, that time they said the Bhattacharya, Mahaprabhu said that he was so pleased with his devotee. Now, he actually said that it doesn't matter even Lakshmi has to go door to door, but still there will be no lack of rice in your home. So those are the words. It's a very strong word that Krishna himself actually said. Mahaprabhu said that to him. And how the Vaishnava Hridaya Sara Navarita Samana. It says that if the fire or the heat comes makes the water, the water melts. But Vaishnava, the sadhu, they actually see the pain in you because we all came to this material world and living a life of pain because everything is there. So Vaishnava, they actually be merciful seeing us. And Bhasdev also saying, Prabhu, if possible, please, I want to take all the pain of all the zeros to me. I want everybody to get delivered. Same thing Prahlad Maharaj wants to say to Nrsimhadev. See how sweet, how the Supreme Personality of Godhead is so supreme. And still he is giving himself to the devotee. And similarly, the devotees also, they are also very kind-hearted. And that's why Krishna, sometimes the Bhagavatam, the all Shastra, Lagu Bhagavatam, Great Bhagavatam, they glorify at the same time devotees and simultaneously glorify the Krishna. So, then we take the first place, so Jannudeep. Jannudeep, that's the last one. Okay, Jannudeep. But it also, Jannudeep also is not different from Bhadravan. The Vrindavan Bhadravan, because 9 lands is here. They are all connected to the Vrindavan, Abhinna. No difference between Navadvip and the Vrindavan. So that's why that is one part. Jannudeep also not different from Bhadravan. So Jannudeep, where our Jannu Muni is to do bhajan. After doing the bhajan, he actually pleased Mahaprabhu and Mahaprabhu gave darshan and Radha Bhakti Krishna Bhakti Krishna Sarva the Mahaprabhu actually gave darshan to him and so told him, you stay here. In future, I will actually do first time he will see. So then, after he was doing bhajan, so what happened when actually Bhagirath, who is Nagar Maharaj's son, he was drinking Ganges after pacifying Brahmaji and then Sivji. He actually was bringing the Ganges from the Haridwar and then all the way from the north side of India, slowly, because north side of the India is actually upper, the Himalaya mountain. So that side is upper, and that is the side from the Gangoji actually appeared, and then this material was slowly all the way to south the Indian Ocean or the Bay of Bengal. So where actually came, and when actually coming, he was bringing what is the cause? Because he was actually delivered the English premiers 60,000 of sort of was delivered them. What happened? That they came and they actually got the current ashes in the completely out of all the south right the Indian Ocean. The area of Sundarban from yes there. So that is the reason, that's the purpose he was bringing it after pacifying Brahman and Sivji. Then when he came here, he was bringing in his point and Gangaji, when actually entering this place, he understands that this is the place of Prabhu, Mahaprabhu. She becomes very happy. She was not actually it's not like taking moving after her. She was actually very happy and enjoying the movement and going. And then at the time, Jannu Muni also doing bhajan there. And what happened? All the Akbar Patra and all the Parampara whatever he had, all actually flooded away with the water. First of all, he got little bit angry, but then he understands this is actually the water of the water of the Brahmane. This is when the Sita Kakshmi is saying that slope, Mahaprabhu actually said, they said the water, the non-swipe, this is sort of over Subhaga. Came from the lotus feet of Vishnu. But Sita Kakshmi said that Mahaprabhu actually picked up that slope in that whole line, he said that. So immediately the water off his slope, and then he actually take it by his solu and start drinking, and then drink it all. The sound is said in Bengali, the kind of sound, the water sound, when the river flows, there is one sound comes. Similar sound, that there is no sound, then he go back, then he actually see that Jannu Muni actually it all. So that's why he came and again came to Jannu Muni and explained, that's the reason he is drinking the water. Then Jannu Muni again understand and let the water drink from the mouth and let the water from the side down in Bengali. So that's why when Ganges came again from here and started to flow, that's why it's called Jandava. Or another name is Jandava because he came from Jan, that's why Jandava, from Thai. And then all the way away. And that's the first time of Jannu Muni. There is another first time also. So I'm going to finish here. Did you get a chance? Maybe. Panchakottam Masaki Pasundamaya Vacham, Patitanam Pavane Bhoj, Vashkave Bhoj.